Hello guys, I'm back with a new update. AlexaMaster got a new update. I am curious. You wonder how to find that update. So I'm on home page. If you are on home page, you have to scroll down and you will find a new menu item on bottom. The blog. This is Alexa Master blog. It's not a traditional blog. Let's Let me click on that. Then here you can find many articles related to Alexa Master and other categories. Like here you can see online ads, SEO tips, traffic exchanges, tutorial and docs, website traffic, YouTube secrets. So here on this blog we are planning to explain especially Alexa Master tutorials. Here you can click on this link and find Alexa Master tutorials and docs, documents. Here locked accounts, locked websites, like that. You can find how to edit your user profile as an example. Here we click this blog article and you can find how to do it step by step. um, so if you like our blog articles, then you can share them on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, LinkedIn, anywhere. So this is the new update. It's about Alexa Master blog. Recently we had Alexa Master forum. uh, Actually we used AlexaMaster.com top level domain for blogging and forum stuff. Support ticket system was on AlexaMaster.com now, but now we have changed so many things on our website. So we are using AlexaMaster.net, and .com is available, but it will be redirected to .net, and also .org domain will be connected with AlexaMaster.net. So enjoy our newly created blog here. I hope you will contact us for more details. So I will come with another new video very soon. Thank you guys.